All right. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And it's a great day here in the city of Atlantic City. Can we say great day?
Great day.
Yes, great day. I'm Mayor Marty Small Sr., Mayor of the great city of Atlantic City. And today is truly another great and historic day in the city of Atlantic City as we embark on our first phase of boardwalk improvement. So, a couple of summers ago, we stood in front of Boardwalk Hall, had a press conference announcing that the great city of Atlantic City has received $6 million in funding. Due to the bids coming in lower, we do expect to go past Arkansas, which is past the pair shops at Caesars. So we're getting more out of what we initially thought that we would. We're extremely happy that work has begun, as you see. We're putting union guys to work. They're going to work very hard to rebuild the greatest boardwalk in the world here in the city of Atlantic City. I'm also here to thank the state of New Jersey for the $20 million that they gave the great city of Atlantic City out of the Boardwalk Fund. Last summer, inside of historic Jim Whalen Boardwalk Hall, Governor Murphy, amongst other officials, announced a $100 million fund. And we do understand, even though we told them that A comes before everyone in the alphabet, we do know that the governor in the state of New Jersey has 563 other municipalities. And I know that some of you are saying it's 565.
Press conference on the boardwalk, Atlantic City.
So it's 564. So we got the $20 million. We couldn't be more thankful for the state of New Jersey. Again, this is the small administration utilizing non-taxpayer funds. We would not be able to afford these repairs on the boardwalk. So again, under the column of relationships matter because life is the relationship. So with that being said, I'm here to announce with the $20 million that the great city of Atlantic City has received to improve the boardwalk, we will start at the opposite end of New Jersey, where the new boardwalk has been rebuilt by the Army Corps of Engineers that stretches down to Gardner's Basin. The initial assessment is we will go from New Jersey Avenue to Tennessee Avenue. However, if the bids come in lower, we can go further, but that is our initial estimates to go to Tennessee Avenue. Now, our hardworking men and women in blue of the Public Works Department works this boardwalk every day. However, it comes a point where we just putting a Band-Aid on a wound. This $20 million will address the structural needs that is conducive to a safer boardwalk. Remember, the boardwalk is a city street. We will not only have new wood, as you see over here off of Florida Avenue, but we will address the structural issues underneath the boardwalk to make it brand new and last for 50 plus years. So on behalf of the great city of Atlantic City, we thank the EDA for assisting with this project. We thank our grants coordinator, Jim Rotella, who's always working, and he'll make another announcement. Our city engineer, Uzo Herwakwe, we don't know what we would do without you.